Oh yeah, it is time to change my old chair. So I've been using this chair for quite a while, and this chair, the one I'm sitting on, has really suffered. You can't imagine. This chair has really suffered from everybody in my house, including me. I got these on Temu. I just want to try if we can actually find something very good on Temu. So that's why I bought it on Temu, to see if they have quality products. Let's unbox it to see what we have inside this big, amazing box. So let's go. So inside this massive box, the first thing you're gonna find is the assembly instruction. Yeah, the assembly instruction, that's the first thing I have here. And probably this is just one of the handles. Yeah, I can see that. The major reason why I actually went ahead to buy this chair is because of they have from the instruction, from the manual on the website, they said they have a very good foam, which is what I want, because I want comfort. Yeah, this one is already gone, so it's not comfortable again. It's just suffering. So I need to change it to get a good one. Yeah, oh yeah, this will be I think this is the bottom. This is where I'm going to put my, oh my god. This is where I'm sitting on. Oh, all right. I think, yeah, this will be for my leg. And lastly, I have, wow. Oh, guys, you need to, you can feel it. That is so soothing. Oh gosh, I'm going to enjoy this chair. Then I have all other accessories here. It is well packaged. So you can imagine getting something like this from Temu, and everything is actually well packaged. So for the packaging, I'm going to give them a 10/10 for packaging. And these are the legs. Yeah. Oh, this is heavy. Like I said, I'm giving these guys 10/10 for packaging. You can see, because they know that this can be lost, so they attached it with a ribbon, yeah, to the package. So still 10/10 for packaging. This is my leg rest. And if you need my old chair, just message me. I'm going to send it to you. Though it's not comfortable anymore, but it's still called a chair because you can still put your bum on it. All right, that's everything inside the box. So now we go to part 2 of this unboxing, which is, guys, assembly. Putting together this chair is so easy, and honestly, the assembly is pretty simple as long as you follow the manual that came with it. No frustration, just follow the steps and you're good to go. I'll be doing an updated review in 6 months to see how this chair is holding up, so stay tuned. I'm aiming for 10k subscribers by the end of the month, so if you have not subscribed yet, hit that button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.